In your globe ceiling fan box, you will find the mounting bracket, the assembled down rod, canopy ring, decorative cover, fan motor housing, LED light plate, light cover, canopy, 5 blades, the receiver and K1 wire, remote control, mounting accessories, and your instruction sheet. To install your ceiling fan, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Install the first blade between the 2 arrows on the motor housing. Secure the blade using the included fan blade washers and screws. Tighten well to ensure the fan has no wobble. Rotate the fan and repeat the process for the remaining blades. Next, loosen any 2 of the 3 pre-installed screws on the motor housing, then completely remove the 3rd screw and set it aside momentarily. Then, feed the motor housing wire through the LED light plate and insert it into the connector clip. Next, line up the 2 light plate keyholes with the 2 remaining screws and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Reinstall the 3rd screw and tighten all 3 screws to fully secure the light plate. Once complete, turn the fan over. Disassemble the down rod. Remove the locking pin from the down rod, then remove the 2 hanger ball screws. Slide the hanger ball off the down rod and remove the cross pin. On the motor housing, loosen the 2 base screws to allow the down rod placement. Next, carefully feed the wiring through the down rod. Once through, place the down rod into the fan motor housing and align the holes accordingly. Secure by reinstalling the locking pin. Then, tighten the screws until you feel resistance. Next, carefully slide the decorative cover onto the down rod. Then add the canopy cover ring. Ensure it is facing upwards. Finally, add the canopy. Next, slide the hanger ball back onto the down rod and reinsert the cross pin into the large hole. Raise the hanger ball and nest the crossbar in its groove, ensuring all the screw holes align accordingly. Reinstall the 2 screws and tighten well to ensure the hanger ball is properly secured. Your fan is now ready to be mounted. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Using your junction box's pre-existing screws, secure the included mounting bracket to your ceiling's junction box. Then, loosen the mounting bracket's canopy screws. Lift the assembled fan to the ceiling and place the hanger ball into the mounting bracket opening. Rotate the fan as needed to ensure the groove on the hanger ball drops into the slot on the bracket and sits firmly. Slide the receiver into the mounting bracket. Then, connect the 2 cables from the motor housing to the receiver. The first to its matching colored cable, and the second directly into the receiver. Next, connect the canopy's nightlight wire to its matching colored cable on the receiver. Then, connect the K1 wire to the receiver. Next, insert the hot black wire from the junction box into the quick connect clip on the black K1 wire. And insert the neutral white wire from the junction box into the quick connect clip on the white K1 wire. Finally, connect the junction box's ground wire and all ground wires from the fan together using the wire nut. Next, lift the canopy. Tuck the wiring into the canopy, then align the keyholes to the mounting screws and rotate clockwise to lock into place. Tighten the screws to secure. Then, raise the magnetic canopy ring to connect it to the canopy. Align the light cover's lip to the light plate and rotate clockwise for it to lock into place. Install the remote's back plate to the wall using the included screws, then mount the remote to the magnetic plate. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Turn the switch on. You can now control your ceiling fan from anywhere in the room using the wireless remote. To turn both the fan and light on and off simultaneously, press the globe logo button at the top of your wireless remote. To only turn the fan on or off, press the fan button in the middle of your remote. Once on, you can control the fan's speed by pressing the numbered buttons. For directional control, press the relevant arrow buttons. To push cool air down, press the button with the 3 arrows down graphic on the left. To circulate warm air, press the button with the 3 arrows up graphic on the right. To individually turn the fan's main light on or off, press the bulb button located in the lower half of the remote. Once on, you can increase or decrease the light's brightness using the up and down arrow buttons. Press the sun button to cycle through the 6 available white lighting options. Press the starry moon button to turn the nightlight on. Press it again to dim the nightlight down to 20% and again to turn the nightlight off. Globe, the creative energy company.